Alright. Fat guy, sexy guy. Give me the back shot. Bend over, twerk it. Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's about Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica. We're back with another video for you guys. Now, right now, we're going back over Haiti. You understand me? Because them said so. I did one. I don't remember the name of it. It's a Land 5 or something like that. I don't remember the name. However, I see the video getting a lot of comments and a lot of feedback, positive feedback. And then someone from Haiti reached out and be like, yo, I sent you 5 songs I think you're going to enjoy. And this is the first one that they sent me. Song called Backshot. Jesus, I'm crying. If you didn't know, I love seeing the females in the videos. That's a plus. I'm going to put the comments on the Asian video that I did, first reaction that I did. So comment on this video to see your comment next video that I post. You know, post every single day, right? I've been sick for the past week, but still sick. Feel a little bit better now, so you know what I mean? We're back in effect. Boom! We can see what's going on right now. Tony Mix is the artist. Run tune! See what's going on. Okay. Okay. So you telling me that's how they're gonna start this video? No, you telling me that's how they really want to start this video? You all know me like look on people, them girl pitting body a shake up and betting and look on she split. Hi. I'm Tariq. I'm from Jamaica. What about you? What's popping? Go on. Position. Ooh. Get ready. Position. Get ready. We could come a little closer to the camera. Come in now. Ready? Look at what I go on. Me Tony. Alright. Fat guy, sexy guy. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Yeah. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Hey. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Why? Give me the back shot. Pull up. You must say bend over, make money. Give me the back shot. Now twerk it. Hey, make money. Position. Twerk it. Bend over. Alright, now go on. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Hey. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Look at who you baby ni me yo mande. Back shot. You done me level me kiss all your way. Back shot. And here we go again. Remember, I don't understand the language. Yeah, on that video too, I saw you guys commenting that y'all speak it's a Creole, French Creole or something like that. You say you speak Creole, you understand? But we speak Creole in Jamaica, so there's just so much different kind of Creole out there that I don't know about, yo. But I'm not one to be reacting to music I don't understand what's popping, but y'all want the reactions anyways. I guess you guys understand what I'm saying, so let's go, right? Turn up. Bend your back, girl. Bend your back. Sit down on it. Bend your back, girl. Bend your back. No, sit down on it. Give me the back shot. Bend over. People, look on the girl body. Look on the girl body. Look on the wire body. The back of the girl there. I'm a voice gone. Look on the girl body, Wakar. Go on. Twerk it. Oh. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Hey. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Me super kagu ye batin pan bukana. On the crack and twerk it like Rihanna. Let you will back and let you like in farmer. Some of them who pose it pull balamba. Position. Get ready. Me Tony. Fat guy, sexy guy. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. That body so big that I with style. What can that with style? I saw some feel better, dog. For the past year, I could never move. Like, come here, move right now, brother. You see me, I say, thank you, Lord. But yo, come here, go see what I go on for the video. Go on. Give me the back shot, bend over. Give me the back shot, bend over. Man, well, try broke off if we see what go on inside of the room. I guess the doctor them gone visit the doctor or something like that, and she gone, the doctor gonna shake up her watty and get the doctor the back shot, bend over. Earthquake.
Beso vagabuye pa fin buan bukana. On the crack and track it like Rihanna. Let you with back and until like King Farmer. Si madame move pose pull baloba.
Give me the back shot.
Bend over. Give me the back shot. Bend over.
Like it.
Hey. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Give me the back shot. Give me that.
Remember when she did that going in the room? Remember when she was going in there, right? So she was in, she walked in, and she sat down. What did she have on? Right? She have on her clothes, like, you know, you could never see she have on. You never see what she have on when she sit down, you see me? I know she exit the room, and this she want exit in her.
Give me the back shot.
And that she want exit in her. Fat pum pum out the door.
Give me the back shot.
She want exit with a fat pum pum out the door. And she never go into the fat pum pum out the door. No. She didn't go into the room with the fat pum pum out the door. No. But she's exiting the room with the fat pum pum out the door. And then she a smile. Because she never go in there smile. No. She go in there vex with the world. No. She a come out smile. And she a come out with the fat pum pum out the door. The big boobs them. And I have a doctor's stethoscope around her neck. Right. Go on like it.
Give me that.
Next.
Give me the back shot.
Oh.
Give me that.
That's hot. So, our man that too. Like how fear man carry her come there too. Me racing. Me crackery what stop. So, I did that man. I know this is when they come with fear man too. Oh God. Shall I give you after the back shot again? Go on.
Give me that, y'all. Give me the back shot. Give me that.
Nobody. Alright.
Give me the back shot. Give me that. Give me that, y'all. Give me the back shot. Bend over.
Yeah.
Give me the back shot. Bend over. Hey.
Whoa. Give me the ball. I'm live right there. So.
Give me the back shot. Bend over. Twerk it. Give me the back shot. Twerk it.
Live.
Give me the back shot.
Benz, BMW.
Twerk it. Hey. Give me the back shot. Twerk it. Give me the back shot.
Alright then.
Twerk it. Sim champion.
That's so much, girl. The doctor here too brawling with the thing, babe. But guess where? Anyways, it's been a boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Thank you for checking out my video. You understand me? Let me shout out, bro God, who gave me this video to react to. Don't shout out, bro God. Bro God name is. I don't know if you want to mention him. So next video. If him say you want to mention him, because I'm not going to watch this. Say if you want to mention him in the next video, then maybe give up then. And that's how I don't want to give out your Instagram, so you know I'm going to do it. So big up yourself. Still, you know yourself. Until next time. Peace.